Welcome to another video series on how to learn School Circle. Today, we will look how can teachers use the School Circle web application. Once the teacher logs in the School Circle, they are delighted with main dashboard, where they can see different widgets showing pending student leave requests, timetable for the teacher, and any upcoming assignments that is given by the teacher. Next, on the side menu, we see the option class and student info under classroom, which shows the timetable that is assigned to the teacher. Next option is seating arrangement, which is a feature that will be coming in the future releases. And the last option is daily lesson plan, where teacher can create homework for the classes and subject that she or he teaches. Once we click on the select class, we see two options. For class 1A, this teacher is the class teacher, so all the subjects are available in the select subject field. In the other case, we only see the subject that this teacher teaches. Next comes the option attendance, where teacher can mark the attendance of the students, which are in the class to which this teacher is the class teacher. Once the teacher selects the class, the list of all the students in the class is shown. Then teacher has to select the date and mark the attendance of each student. Changes will be saved after the teacher clicks on Save button. Teacher has also the option to select a previous date and save or mark the attendance for the same. Next, let's move to attendance report. Here, teacher can see all the students with detailed attendance data. Also, teacher can click on the student card to see further details. Next is the late and leave tracking. If any parent has raised the request for late and leave will be shown here to the teacher. Now let's move to the academics options. Here, the teacher has the option to select the assessment type from different options that we have, for example, class test, weekly test, and exam. Then teacher has to choose the class with the subject. Here also, if the role is class teacher for the selected class, all the subjects will be visible, otherwise only the subject teacher teaches will be visible. Then enter the test name and enter the total marks and the date on which the assessment will take place. We need to click on Assign Assessment to save them. We can also see the assessment on the right side panel once created. Next is the exam grading, which is used for giving the marks to the students. We will cover this in detail in another video series, which will be focused on academics option. Next option is progress tracking, which teacher can use to see the performance of the student as the results for assessment are stored in the system. Student progression feature designed to help teachers seamlessly manage student promotions and retentions at the end of the academic year. The process begins when the class teacher navigates to the student progression section from the main dashboard. Here, they will first select the class they are responsible for. Once a class is chosen, the system instantly displays the list of students enrolled in that class, making it easy to review and take action for each student. Now, teacher has two choices: promote or retain. If the teacher selects promote, they will be prompted to choose the next class the student will advance to. On the other hand, if the teacher selects retain, the student will remain in the same class for another academic year. Once the teacher has made the necessary selections for all students, they simply need to click the Submit button. A confirmation message appears to ensure the teacher's selections have been recorded. Additionally, these changes are securely documented in the student's academic history for future reference. The last option is Report Card, which is currently being built and will be available in the future releases. Thank you for watching. We will be bringing more videos on how teachers can use the School Circle with focus on each of the feature. Please do subscribe the channel to get the notification as soon as the new videos are uploaded.